What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make your text bigger in Windows. So this is actually pretty simple. I will just show you how to do this real quick and then I'll just talk a little bit about it. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the start menu on the bottom left here and just click, and then you'll see the little gear that is the settings icon. Just click on that and that'll open the settings screen basically. So just click on ease of access here. You don't have to search anything. And ease of access will bring you right to where you want to be. So on the left hand side, if you are not on the display tab, just click on the display tab and this will bring you to the sample text, or actually make text bigger, sorry. So this is where you can modify the size of your text, like for example the text in this app itself, the text on your screen for your shortcuts, things like that, right? So let me just increase this and show you guys what happens. So what do I have it on? 113. Gotta remember that to set it back to that. But let's do. As you drag it, you can see it. It actually increases here, so you can just see it before you apply it. But when you apply it, your computer might go black for a second. So let's do 151, whatever. Click apply. Oh, there we go. Finally it applied. It actually took a little bit, but as you can see, the text is actually much bigger. And for my shortcuts on the left hand side, it's much bigger too. So if this is what you're looking to do, this is how you can do it pretty simply in Windows. You just go to the settings app. You don't have to do anything fancy. So yeah, and then if you want to drag it back down to something smaller, obviously you just do the same thing. But I'm going to spare you guys watching my computer go black for a second, so hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.